It's the middle of autumn and the night is filled with magic. A huge round moon is shining bright above, casting its gentle glow on the smiling faces gathered below. Lanterns of all shapes and colors are floating about in the night sky, creating a breathtaking sight as they dance and twirl in the gentle breeze. This enchanting scene is not just a figment of your imagination, but a beautiful reality that unfolds during the Mid-Autumn Festival, also known as the Moon Festival. On this extraordinary night, families and friends come together to marvel at the splendor of the full moon. They exchange mooncakes, delightful pastries filled with sweet and savory treats, and light lanterns, turning the night into a magical spectacle. Join us as we embark on a captivating journey to explore the wonders of the Mid-Autumn Festival. Discover the rich history, fascinating legends, and vibrant traditions that make this celebration so enchanting. You can also find out about the moon's significance in different cultures and how people express their gratitude and make wishes upon its brilliance. The Mid-Autumn Festival is one of the most important holidays in the lunar calendar, celebrated by many Asian countries, including China, Vietnam, Korea, and Singapore. It usually falls on the 15th day of the 8th month, which is also known as the full moon day. This year, the festival will be celebrated on September 29. The history of the Mid-Autumn Festival dates back over 3,000 years to the Shang dynasty from 1600 to 1046 BC. During this time, people began worshipping the moon and its influence on the earth. They believed that the moon played a vital role in the growth and development of crops, and therefore held great significance in their lives. The festival's purpose was to express gratitude to the divine for providing bountiful harvests and ensuring the fertility of the land. Over the centuries, the celebration evolved and incorporated various myths, legends, and customs, each adding its own unique charm to the festival. One of the most popular legends associated with the Mid-Autumn Festival is the tale of Chang'e, the moon goddess. According to this enchanting myth, Chang'e was a mortal who accidentally drank an elixir of immortality. As a result, she ascended to the moon and became its divine ruler. She is often depicted as a graceful and elegant woman accompanied by a jade rabbit who serves her tea and helps her with her tasks. The legend of Chang'e adds a touch of magic and wonder to the festival, reminding people of the power of dreams and the allure of the unknown. Now, let us talk about the exciting traditions and customs that come to life during the Mid-Autumn Festival. At the heart of the celebrations are mooncakes, delicious pastries filled with a variety of sweet and savory fillings. These round pastries symbolize family reunion and togetherness. Friends and families gather together to share these delectable treats while admiring the full moon. The act of breaking open the mooncake and sharing its contents is a symbolic representation of unity and harmony. Another enchanting tradition is the lighting of lanterns. During the festival, streets and parks come alive with colorful lanterns of all shapes and sizes. Children carry small paper lanterns, while larger, more elaborate lanterns adorn public spaces. The soft glow of the lanterns adds a magical atmosphere to the night, creating a sense of wonder and delight. Some lanterns are designed to float in the water, creating a mesmerizing display as they drift along the surface. The Mid-Autumn Festival is a joyous occasion for children who eagerly await the chance to carry lanterns and explore the moon's mysteries. In some countries like Vietnam, there are lion dances and children's parades to entertain the young and the young at heart. The festivities continue with lively music, traditional games and performances that celebrate the cultural heritage of the community. It is believed that the moon reaches its peak brightness and fullness during the Mid-Autumn Festival, making it the perfect time to gaze at the celestial beauty above. People take this opportunity to express their gratitude to the moon for its constant presence in their lives. They also make wishes upon the moon, hoping for its blessings to shine upon them and their loved ones. Whether it's for good health, happiness, or prosperity, the moon becomes a silent witness to their hopes and dreams. As the night draws to a close, the image of the glowing moon above and the smiling faces below create a picture of pure joy and contentment. The Mid-Autumn Festival truly captures the essence of community, tradition, and the universal appreciation for the natural world. So, when you see the next full moon gracing the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the beauty it holds and the stories it whispers. Let its gentle glow remind you of the importance of family, friendship, and the magic that unfolds when we come together to celebrate life. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also, please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your feedback means a lot to me and helps me create more amazing videos for you. Stay connected for more captivating stories and cultural explorations. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.